What's going on, my winners? And today we bring you this Winnebago Travato 59G. Stay tuned while we review and modify this home on wheels. There are two versions of this Travato, the 59K and the 59G. They're both built on Dodge Pro Master chassis, which has a V6 Pentastar engine on both of them. The length of this camper is 21 feet long. Whoa, now that's a happy camper. And it has external outlets with connections for TV, antenna, and cable. So you can watch the Sunday game right outside with nature. Next to the deers and the squirrels and turtles and birds chirping, all that good stuff. The first thing you notice when you get inside the kitchen of this camper, the kitchen space is wide, enough elbow room to cook your homemade meals, or should I say mobile meals, and provides essential things like a 2-burner range top and a marine style sink. You also get some extra features like 2 outlets, positive locking cabinets, and a window in front of the fridge, freezer, a microwave. Next to that area is a closet storage. This one in particular has an espresso machine. Whoa, I need to make me an espresso now. Leading past the kitchen is the bathroom, which is 28 by 61 with stainless steel sink and dry storage underneath. Taking a shower on wheels, I don't think it's that bad. Next to the shower is a queen size mattress. Oh yeah, you see me there, right? I'm enjoying every bit of it. Can't wait to take this out on the road and enjoy it myself. Good sleep on wheels. This Travato has everything. There's seats in front, right next to the cockpit, that fold down as well, giving you that extra bed space for your guest. Controls for the temperature, water pump, battery levels, and even solar charge controller are at your fingertips in the cabin. We're gonna give this baby 20% on the side doors and 50% in the front windshield with our S9 ceramic film. Only the best stuff on the planet. Stay tuned, you wouldn't want to miss this winning transformation. And we're back, and this Winnebago is finally winnified with 20% on the side doors and 50% on the front windshield with our S9 nano ceramic film, the best off on the planet for the best mobile home on wheels today. If you got a mobile home or something rare or classic or an exotic car that you want to see get tinted and also we make a video on, give us a call, make an appointment through email, hit us up on the DM through IG, bring your car in and we'll make a video on it. Until next time, stay winning and watch this Winnebago roll out. Look at the cockpit with 20% on the side doors and 50% on the front windshield. Wouldn't bother you at all. Not even the sun can bother you.